The Chino Rosas Bridge across Mendiola Street in Manila has been the scene of violent demonstrations in the past. But this weekend and today, the atmosphere at the historic site was different, as we hear from Noel Perfecto.
The mood was festive at Mendiola Bridge as different Muslim groups waited for the signing of the historic Framework of Peace Agreement between the Philippine government and the Mora Islamic Liberation Front, or MILF, in Malacanang Palace. Some of the groups have been holding a vigil for 2 days for the success of the peace process in southern Philippines.
Naniniwala kami may mga bagay na hindi nare-resolba ng Philippine Constitution na ang Bangsamoro ang maaaring makasagot nito.
Ito ay isang starting point na mahalaga dahil ang mismo na gobyerno yung nagsasabi na ito na yung para sa inyo dyan sa Mindanao. So, bakit hindi tayo makisabay at makisama naman dun sa mga programa na nakakabuti naman sa lahat?
All sectors are clamoring for long-lasting peace and development for the entire Moro people of Mindanao.
Baka ito na, dahil naging presidente natin ay isang visionary at saka matino na presidente, Presidente Aquino, hopefully by the grace of Allah, makukuha na rin namin ang matagal namin minimiti at pinaglalaban na katahimikan sa Mindanao.
Ito'y unang hakbang, no, sa mahabang proseso ng kapayapaan at very welcome itong development na ito dahil at least na-identify ng dalawang panig kung anong dapat pag-usapan.
Muslim Filipinos thank President Benigno Aquino III for the Framework Agreement, which they called a big step towards progress in Mindanao.
Matagal na po namin minimiti ang kapayapaan sa Mindanao dahil magmula nung maliit pa kami, naghihirap na kami sa gera, kung saan kami nakakabot, kahit nung musmus pa kami, naghihirap na kami sa gera, kaya kailangan na namin ng kapayapaan ng Mindanao ngayon na.
Sobra po ng aming saya dahil may tutupad na yung aming iling at ang aming mga ninuno ay pinaghirapan nila ito. Kaya po kami tuwan-tuwa ang laki ng pasalamat namin sa Pangulong Aquino.
Some people have also expressed apprehensions over the signing of the Framework of Peace Agreement, including veteran writer Neil Cruz.
Ito ang framework where we will continue talking. Kung hindi magkasundo sa mga talks na yan, walang peace agreement.
Pero it's a good start.
No, it's a good start kasi at least while you're talking, there is the chance of compromise.
With the signing of the document, Muslim Filipinos hope that the decades-old conflict in southern Philippines will soon end. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.